Guys, I'm here with Tracy, and my dad's gonna show me the little toys he works on around the house because he has nothing better to do during his retirement. So here we go. All right, so where's it at? Where's your toys?
There it is.
Oh, what? You made a tricycle for real? Oh, man. Look at this. This guy actually made a real tricycle. You got the Honda motor right here, Honda mini bike. And then he's got his license plate. And he's got this tricycle. What? This is insane. Dang, he's even got the fishing poles. What? He's got the flag. Never forget the flag for safety. Wow, that's dope. He's got the leather seats. Look at that. I don't know who's gonna fit in here because it's not me. Can you fit in there?
No. Yeah, me, I can't fit in there.
No way. Show me.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Oh my God, dude. Your knees don't hit or anything?
You can drive it.
So this is what retirement's like, huh?
Yeah.
It's good, man. Tapping into your creative side.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
sure. There's a headlight.
Oh man. Let me put this camera down real quick, see kind of how ridiculous we look. Oh, check this out. Let's see if I fit.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, it's like we're in the Philippines. This is dope, yo.
Dude, what's up?
Man, yeah, that's cool. You got your emergency brakes right here. That's awesome. You have your e-brake? Is this e-brake or what?
Yeah, that's e-brake.
Dang, he even has an e-brake on a bicycle, guys.
Yeah,
that's insane, yo. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Man, this is just the first toy right here. This is what a retired mechanic does right here. Yeah, we got e-brake. Oh man. Yeah, we know how much you love this type of green, like a forest green.
There's a brake at the
forest green.
At the right, there's a brake here. There's a brake at the right.
Yeah.
Wheel.
Really? You have brakes right here on the side too?
Right. Yeah.
Oh yeah, through cable. You guys see that? Look at that. You see that right there? That's pretty cool. You got some rims going on. Ooh, nice. That's pretty cool.
No, so this is the front brake. This is the right brake, and this is the also. And this is good. If it's the handbrake, it doesn't move.
Wow, dude. You just gotta register now.
It's registered.
It's registered? Dude?
Yeah.
Wow,
there's a headlight.
Oh, you got the lights on too. Look at that.
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow. When you pull the e-brake.
Yeah. See that?
Wow, that's awesome, man. That's cool. So there it is for like the first toy right there he just made. He was like really excited to tell me about it. So that's pretty cool right there. It's pretty neat. Man. You got it?
Yeah.
Damn, that's pretty crazy. You got a tricycle?
It is, huh?
That's hilarious. What is this? Is this what I think it is?
That's
from a compression? From a
what?
compressor?
Yeah,
It is a compressor. Yeah, look at this, bro. This whole thing is a compressor. Look at this. Like, that's probably where the air comes out of.
This is my compressor now. That is my compressor before.
Oh my god. You even put this little rubber right here so you don't cut yourself. Some guard railing. It's got some lights in the front. Wow. That's awesome. That is cool.
Small, huh?
Yeah.
That's terrible, huh?
Man, your toys are hilarious, man. We gotta see some more.
We have here.
Type down in the comment, guys, what you guys want this guy to make. Because, man, he can make it all. It's crazy.
There's one more
I'm
here.
a believer now.
It's a, what do you call this? This is a scooter.
Okay, so you're making something right now?
Yeah, folding.
A folding scooter? Wow, dude, what? That's crazy. That's pretty dope.
But
Man, this is definitely a process, I bet. Starting from scratch. Seriously.
it's convertible. It goes like this. It's folding. Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, done, huh?
Yep.
The back is right here. See if it's done. I'll show it to you.
Wow, that's cool. Can't wait to see it. At least this one you can use. You've made other stuff where you usually just have it at the side of the house and you have a hard time selling it, but this right here should be pretty cool.